Ever wondered why angles can be measured in different ways? We're talking degrees and radians, two fundamental units for describing angles, but they look so different. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of angle measurement to uncover the secret connection between them. First, let's look at degrees. Imagine a full circle as a complete journey divided into 360 equal slices. Each slice is a degree. Now, meet radians. Radians are based on the circle's own radius. A 1 radian angle is formed when the arc length equals the radius. The key to converting between them lies in this fundamental truth. 180 degrees is exactly equal to pi radians. This means we can create a simple conversion factor. To go from degrees to radians, we multiply by pi over 180. And to convert radians back to degrees, we use the inverse. Multiply by 180 over pi. Let's see this in action. Here's a visual comparison. Notice how 90 degrees, a quarter of the circle, corresponds to pi over 2 radians. And 180 degrees, a half circle, is pi radians. The key takeaway is that degrees and radians are just two ways to measure the same thing. They are perfectly interchangeable thanks to that simple, elegant relationship. 180 degrees equals pi radians.